3D printing. Sometimes 3D printing achieves unique shapes which you couldn't do in any other meaning. Sometimes 3D printing creates individual shapes without tooling, everyone different for a reason. And sometimes it creates unique performance which you couldn't achieve otherwise. And very rarely you have products which achieve all three, which are impossible to achieve in any other technology, really capitalize on the ability to be individual with every single product and create a performance which is completely unique and enhances life. So the winner of this year's Purmundus Challenge is Stealth Key from Urban Alps.
Jesus. Oh! Wow.
Wow. Just in a couple of words, the problem with keys, which used to be a very safe element until smartphones like that were invented, now you can take a picture or a scan with a normal smartphone and copy nearly every safety key because the safety features are visible. Here the safety features are invisible, folded inside. You can't scan them, you can't see them. It's impossible, it's truly individual. Every single key is a one-off 3D print. So you really have the combination of all the three best assets.